Hello viewers, in this video, we will show you how to insert and edit picture in Microsoft Word. The first step is you have to open any Microsoft Word versions, but in this video, we will just use Microsoft Word 2007. After you open the Microsoft Word 2007, find the Insert toolbar. Choose the picture and choose the picture that you want and click Insert. After you insert the picture automatically goes to your Word editing screen. When you click the picture toolbar will appear above below the menu bar. In the menu bar, some picture editing tools that you can use. First, we go to Brightness tool, where you adjust the brightness of the picture. Contrast, to adjust the picture darkness. Recolor, to adjust the color of the picture. You can choose some color modes, dark variations, and light variations of a color. We have here tools here like compress pictures. Change picture if you want to change the picture you inserted and reset. In these sections, show some picture styles to choose from. Picture shape, to change the shape of your picture. You can also put some border and choose the color of your border. Picture effects, to put the shadows, reflections, glow, soft bevel, and etc. We have also the position of the picture. We have also the text wrapping. Also, for adjusting view photo position. Alignment, to move the picture from left to right, middle, top, and bottom. You can also rotate the picture by 90 degrees to left and right, and flip vertical and horizontal. The crop tool also for adjusting the size of the picture. And the shape height and shape width also for adjusting the size of the picture. And if you want to save your work, just go to the Office button and click Save or Save As. And that's it. Thanks for watching this simple video tutorial of how to insert and edit picture in Microsoft Word.